Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. Still technically going sideways. This week has been really nothing on offer at the moment. We do have a separation of the oscillators at the moment, so starting to look like this is a flag for a break to the upside. You know how time changes. Yesterday it was looking like a top, and now today it's looking like sort of a flag. But that's kind of how it goes, you know, and that's why we only trade structure. So we look for breaks and retests. That's kind of the only way to trade this market, because once it's broken, you can get the ride up. You know, if it breaks to the downside, you've got an opportunity to get the ride down, and you've got fairly good confidence that you'll get the trade right. Sometimes a week goes by where you don't have any opportunities, which is pretty much this week. You can see we keep coming down to test this area. That's at 33,393. We can actually round it off to 3,400. So we keep coming to test it. Oscillator's not giving us any indication. Tail to the upside, tail to downside confusion. And if we look at the 1 hour, yesterday was just absolute chaos. There's no ways that I can trade that kind of stuff. So the other thing that you can just keep in the back of your mind is you have a triangle inside a range forming. So based on that, you start breaking above some of these tails from yesterday, and a retest of this area, you're looking for a move to the top of the range. Same is true for the downside. Start breaking below some of these fractals here, then you're looking for a move to the downside. So we're in amongst the moving averages here. If you're looking at this on a Bollinger Band, you'll probably see a squeeze starting to form as well. So something is going to happen. Something's about to happen. Could be today or tomorrow or next week. But at the moment, this is a clear sit on hands. I don't even think it's worth looking at the 15-minute, because it almost looks like holiday traffic. This tails to the upside, tails to the downside, in amongst moving averages. Absolutely nothing on offer. So 15-minute, you see the triangle clear as daylight. And I'd be very wary of trading to the downside at the moment. And the only reason for that is what we are seeing here on the 8 hour. And that's the separation of the oscillators like this while price is hovering up here. That is, you can see already forming diversions here. There's a low, there's our current low, but the oscillator here is lower. Obviously I'd like both of them down below that point to validate that. But that is starting to brew. If you're looking at it with an RSI indicator or one of the other indicators, you'll see that diversions are starting to form on multiple indicators. So my advice today is wait. Don't get trapped in this. You can see it's looking like a rejection of the moving averages for a potential move down. But my bias is to the upside. We are in an uptrend at the moment. So that's what we are waiting for. So yeah, I don't think there's much on offer here. I don't think there's anything that you can actually chase, not even on the 5-minute chart. It's going to be too volatile, too all over the place. And even though it is swinging 177 points, but we want clear structure, and there's no clear structure. So I'm waiting. We'll wait and see what transpires today. But at the moment, this is a clear sit quietly and keep your money in your pocket. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.